Text, patterns on glass help reduce bird collisions by creating a visual barrier that birds can recognize and avoid. Windows have dots and bars. Text, but how do researchers determine which markers the birds can see? Brendon Samuels, Western University.
We can't ask birds directly, do you see this or not? But we can construct these scenarios where we can infer from a bird's behavior what they have seen and reacted to in the environment.
From a perspective beyond the windows at the end of a tunnel, a bird flaps its wings and flies towards a clear pane of the window before being caught up in a net. Investigators walk around a tunnel several dozen feet long set up on a lawn. Text, at Western University, a flight tunnel is used to test how well birds recognize different window treatments. A bird is released into the tunnel from one end. An animated diagram traces the bird's path. Text, a few meters into its flight, it must make a choice. Will it fly towards the glass with a deterrent in place, or fly towards the clear glass, which appears to it as open sky? The curving path veers towards the clear pane. Text, a soft net ensures the bird's safety. In this example, a simple and inexpensive line pattern is drawn using a paint marker.
Here, I'm drawing vertical lines on the glass using a paint marker. This is an inexpensive and simple technique that anybody can do at home or at work, wherever you have birds crashing into glass. It's important that whatever you draw on the glass, be it lines or a different pattern, do not leave spaces more than 5 centimeters or 2 inches in between the markers.
Data is recorded during every flight. From behind, a small bird slowly flaps its wings, its motion severely slowed down. If birds see the treated glass as a barrier, they fly toward the open air space, telling researchers that the pattern is helping to prevent collisions. The bird of prey careens headlong towards the clear pane at the end of the tunnel, avoiding the striped pane, before getting caught by the net. From the opposite perspective, another bird makes the same decision and runs into the net ahead of the same pane. Text, data from flight tunnels and other testing methods show that 2 by 2 inch patterns can reduce bird collisions by as much as 95%. Glass collisions kill over 1 billion birds every year. Solutions are inexpensive and effective. Logo, Bird Collision Prevention Alliance. The white logo takes the form of a white bird in profile, its wings outstretched and covered by a grid. Text, animation, Jeff Romero, Rebel Arts. Stock footage, American Bird Conservancy. Music, Audio Networks. Produced by, Logo, Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Text, produced in association with, Guardian Glass and, Logo, Western, Center for Animals on the Move.